So this is Avondale, and it is nice and quiet. So I'm going to show you what it's like biking down Avondale on a day like today. It is Friday after the big storm, and I have the entire road to myself. I'm going to give it a go here. All right, down the middle of Avondale. You won't see this very often. Avondale Road on my fat tire packing bike with my skis and snowshoes. And this is what it looks like. I have it all to myself. Not a single car has gone by me since I started pedaling. And here comes a car up behind me. So there's the first car. Other than that, it's all to myself. Okay, goodbye from Avondale on Saturday, February 9th. And it is incredible out here. So I'll do one more view back in this direction. You can see there is not a single car coming. And so nice and quiet. Okay. This is really the way society should be, in my opinion, but I'm wired a little differently than the masses. So goodbye from Avondale.